What's going on, mi gente? What's going on, man? Hey, I'm gonna make this a short little video because I don't wanna this is gonna be a short little video. How y'all doing, man? Another video challenge. Boom, boom, boom. Like I said, short video, but the floor is wet right now. And I wanna shoot a little quick little you know what I'm saying? But I don't wanna be too loud, so I'm gonna go, you know what I'm saying, go to my settings, go to drive mode, engine sound management, go to stealth. I'm gonna be quiet. I don't wanna make too much noise, you know? So, make a little slight little movie, you know what I'm saying? Go to bam, bam, double off. I see that? Competition mode on. How y'all doing today? I'm about to do a little quick little 1-2 real quick. I don't wanna be too aggressive, you know? Not today. How y'all been messing with the videos? They ain't hear a turn of signal or nothing. Gotta make that shit quiet. It sounds so crazy on stealth mode. It's so quiet. This thing's so quiet. It's ridiculous. I want to be over here since it's all. This road is super smooth. You know. Alright, let me hit another U-turn. I love it when it's wet. You don't burn no tires. You don't burn no tires. And I see how it was quiet on stealth mode. Oh man, I ain't gotta make too much noise for the people. And then it's wet, so I ain't really gotta get on the gas like that. Yeah, but like I said, I'm gonna make like a little short little video. That was the short video. You know, I ain't trying to do too much right now, so I appreciate y'all for watching a little quick little slide, you know what I'm saying? Late night, I'm gonna name it maybe late night wet road or something like that. I don't know, I'm gonna figure it out. But like and subscribe. Mi gente, I'm out. Like, subscribe. I appreciate y'all.